Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 10.2 question number 3. Draw triangle PQR with PQ 4 cm, QR 3.5 cm, PR 4 cm. What type of triangle is this? Let us draw a rough triangle first. That is a triangle like this you have to draw. That is PQR. You draw a triangle PQR, P, Q and R. Right? QR is 3.5 cm, 3.5 cm and PR is 4 centimeter. PR is 4 centimeter and PQ is also 4 centimeter. PQ is also 4 centimeter. We have to draw this triangle, right? Let us draw the triangle. First, if take a ruler and take a line. First, take a ruler and take a line of 3.5 centimeter. Here you see this is 0, 3.5. This is 3, 3.4, 3.5. Here is right. Here you got that this point is 3.5 centimeter and this is QR. This is QR. This is QR. Let us take the point. This is Q point and this is R point and this is exactly 3.5 centimeter. Exactly 3.5 centimeter. Right? Now you have to take measurement of 4 centimeter with the help of a compass. Let us take a compass first. You have taken a compass and for this compass we'll take a measurement of 4 centimeter. Here you see we are taking 4 centimeter, that is 3.5789. 4, this is exactly 4, right? Here you see this is exactly 4 centimeter. Now with the help of this compass from here and taking the pointer at point Q, we'll draw an arc, right? Let us draw an arc here. Take this pointer at point Q. Take this pointer at point Q. At point Q. Take the pointer at point Q exactly. Right? And draw an arc here. Right? And taking this again on the point R, take another arc. Right? Now with the help of ruler, join this point. The help of ruler, join this point. Right? Now if you join this line, this is exactly 4 centimeter. Right? Again, join this line. Again, join this line. This is also exactly 4 centimeter, right? That is, we have drawn a triangle like this. The triangle, this is point P. This point is P. This point is P. This is Q. This is R. And PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. And PR is also 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Here you see the base is 3.5 centimeter and PQ and PR are 4 centimeter. The question is, what type of triangle is this? This is an isosceles triangle because two sides of the triangle are same. Therefore, you can say, what type of triangle is this? This is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles. I-S-O-S-C-E-L-E-S, isosceles triangle. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.